What's up, guys? We're heading down the hill, and then we gotta cross the field, and then we'll be at the stand. So we'll see if we can get something tonight. I'll catch you whenever I get down there. What's up, guys? I'm in the stand. This is a different one than what I was in last time. There's another really good buck here, so we're gonna see if he doesn't come out tonight before daylight. So we'll see. Right there, that's the corn pile. I'm in here kind of late, so I already have the boat ready to draw back with the corn piles. Right there. If I can focus on it. Yeah, right there. That's our corn pile right there, though. So maybe he'll come in. We'll see. Hey guys, what's up? The reason I'm being so quiet is because I'm a little late to the stand. But there's a freaking massive bird, like right here. Like, I mean, right here. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna wait till he gets in the clearing, but he's huge. I mean, he's huge. Let me try and show y'all. He's freaking huge, though. I don't know what kind of bird he is. He didn't look like a vulture whenever he flew down from the tree. But let me show y'all. Guys, there's an owl. It's an owl. I mean, it's right here. It's like 10 yards. Just landed right up in there. That's pretty neat. Alright, I'll get y'all if we see any deer. Hey guys, what's up? So, we had very much deer action in this video, but not really any of the times I've gone hunting. It's been really good to hunt, so. But tonight, I think it's a good night to hunt. It just rained, so I don't know how well I'm gonna hear the deer walking in, but it just rained really good, so. Cross my fingers that gets them moving pretty early, hopefully. Maybe we can get one. Now, I don't know if I'll get it on video if I shoot one, because I don't really have anywhere to set y'all up, but I'll try my best. And if I can't, then I'm sorry, but y'all will still get to see the deer, so let's hope. Hey guys, what's up? So, I'm heading out right now from the deer stand. We didn't see anything, but I pulled the card, so whenever I get home to check that, I'll show y'all what we got on camera. And I'll see y'all whenever I get there. Peace out. Hey guys, what's up? So this first picture is one of the deer we have on camera over there at the stand I was hunting. mostly in this video, and he is a 14 point. I've been after him for a while. It's
this will be my 3rd year hunting him. This next one, he's with a young 8-point. But I'm really after that 14-point. That's the deer I mainly want this year. But if that 8-point comes out, I definitely will shoot him. But thanks for watching, and I hope y'all liked the video. And please like and subscribe, and catch y'all on the next one.